no! Max spilled soup everywhere.
Whoa, that's a big mess.
I just wanted to eat my lunch. It's okay, Max. We can help clean it up. Yeah, don't be sad. We're here for you.
Don't worry, Max. I can help.
Whoa!
First, hold the spoon gently. Not too tight, not too loose.
Great job!
Now scoop slowly. Scoop, 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 scoop. Good job, Max.
You did it, Max! I did it! Yay! You did it! We're so proud!
Now I can eat like a big kid.
Yay!
Can you use a spoon too?
Bye, friends!